Hello, this is Ron on Ron Brown's YouTube channel, and this is a short video today. A lot of people have asked me about the DJI Avata 2. They want to know if the Start RC ND filters that I did a full review in this channel. You can check it out. I'll pin the video down below or in the comments or whatever. But they want to know if you can get the lens cap, over top of the ND filters. I guess some people had a problem. Now, look at here. I got it on right here. Okay, if you can see that here, the Start RC. Hope you can see that. Is on here. Start RC ND filter. ND8's on here right now. So, again, hopefully it's enough light here to see that. And we're going to put the lens cap right on like this. I think I never know how to put these things on. But there you go. It's on. It's on tight. You can hold it by it. It's on there, so it fits over the Start RC ND filter. No problem. No problemo. So that answers that question for inquiring minds out there on YouTube who wanted to know whether, again, the lens cap, the standard lens caps that came with the drone fits over the Start RC ND filters. So that's it. Okay, I'm not going to make this video short, so I'm not going to go into the whole routine about subscribing and all that. You know the usual stuff or whatever. Do all that usual good stuff here, and we'll see you on the next video.